The jikos are designed in a way they conserve heat up to 40%. They use less fuel and they emit less smoke. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Daniel Mwaka. I work for Practical Action. We are an international NGO. We have a project here in Nakuru County, and we're implementing the project called KillMap, Kenya Last Mile Entrepreneurship Project. It deals with the clean cooking, basically on improved cook stoves. We are talking of improved cook stove mainly for three purposes. Number one, economic purpose for this clean improved cook stove is it supports or it helps that local mama or that woman in the society economically. The jikos are designed in a way they conserve heat up to 40%. They use less fuel and they emit less smoke. So economically, the person who is using this cook stove will use less fuel. That is pocket friendly. It spends little money in terms of purchasing fuel, in terms of firewood or charcoal. Having said that, it also helps to conserve or preserve our environment, because now it reduces the rate of deforestation. People cutting trees using fuel for cooking, because the jikos are using less fuel. You can only use 2 pieces or 3 pieces while cooking. And having said that, it retains or conserves the heat up to 40%. So it means that this person will use less fuel and will cook for a long period of time. And also in a health wise, you understand that according to the statistics from the health, from the Ministry of Health, 23,000 people die annually because of respiratory diseases. But when they use these jikos, it means that they inhale less smoke, because the jikos, they emit less smoke. So we are helping people in terms of health. Hatutakuwa na mambo ya death cases where people are dying because of respiratory diseases. We realize that many people suffer when they're aging up. Issues of eye problems is because of the smoke that they're using. So our jikos are tested and approved by the national government, by the community, and the partners that they're working together with. So we are promoting these jikos in this project to support the women in the society, to support conserve environment, and to ensure that our people stay healthy. And the rallying message is clean cooking for better health. No, they can Google Practical Action. It's an international organization. You can get all the information, the details you want.
Now, if they need to call, there's somebody who doesn't have
Okay, my contact, if you need my contact, I'll give you my contact 0728 11 91 50. Yes. Asante. Yeah, this one we call it multipurpose. You can use it. You can use it with the charcoal, and you can as well use it with the fuel, firewood. So if you don't have charcoal, you remove these parts, then use firewood. So if you have charcoal, what you need to do is you assemble it again. You assemble and now you use charcoal. Yes. And this one is basically only firewood, and you only use 2 pieces of firewood, 2 pieces. Unlike the 3 stones, you cannot use 2 pieces. 3 stones, you'll use more than 4 pieces of charcoal of firewood. So meaning you'll use a lot of firewood, you will emit a lot of smoke using the 3 stones. But this one with the 2 pieces, you will cook. I say that it's energy saving. It retains heat up to 40%. How it is designed, how it is made, the thickness, it retains heat up to 40%. It's thick and heavy, so it holds the heat for more than 3 hours. So it's better, it's good, it's energy saving. You use less fuel. Yes. No, the difference is the same. It's only now the finishing, but the same thing. Yes.